The amazing Nespresso machine is plugged in. Beautiful. Careful. No problem. Toaster. No problem. The amazing Nespresso coffee machine. Not interested at all. Fantastic. Mug and bean. What else?